10 Tampa Bay Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins joins us now. And Bobby, we are turning up the heat this week.
Yeah, we are. We're going to end up seeing a little less rain. We haven't seen a whole lot lately, but even less and more sunshine means more heat. And then we'll get into that, especially by the middle and end of this week. We are basically rain-free now. Again, we had one or two little showers up here just off the coast of Crystal River. There's actually one if you're moving just north out of town. Going up towards I guess up towards Levy County, really. It's the best chance to run into it. But it's just a quick shower, nothing major. Satellite and radar, you can see most of the clouds have started to thin out. We had a bunch of storms inland, and the tops of those clouds blew off over top of the metro of Tampa, St. Pete, Bradenton, and Sarasota, Pasco as well. Now, the bigger picture, I tell you, there's been a ton of heat, but look at all the slow-moving showers and storms across the eastern half of the United States. These darker reds that you see here, those are all flooded warnings, and you can see them really pop up because of all the moisture in the atmosphere, and the heat made the showers and storms, but they were slow movers. They're just boiling up and just drifting, and so they had some really heavy rainfall for many areas to the north. For us, it's pretty quiet. We are starting to thin those clouds out even more so for the overnight hours. 81 degrees, dew point 74, feels like it's 86. Right now, it's muggy out there. Air temps are in the mid-70s, though, for inland locations. Polk, Hardy, DeSoto, Highland, 74, 75 degrees. We had all the storms this afternoon. I think tomorrow, similar setup, just a little less coverage than what we've seen. 81 in Clearwater, 80 in Bradenton, 80 in Sarasota right now. Here's the forecast model for tomorrow morning. We're dry until about 8:30 to 9:30. One or two showers around 9:30. Look at Hernando and Citrus County. Better chance for rain there. And then by about lunchtime, 11:30 to 12:30, here we go. We're popping up that line of showers and storms. That is the best chance for showers and storms for Pinellas, Hillsborough, Manatee, Sarasota, and Pasco counties. And then everything moves inland by about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. That's about 4:30, 5 o'clock, and we're just about done. We'll have one or two showers after that, and that is it. So it's not a lot of rain. And if you look at the forecast, 30% tomorrow, 20 to 30% on Wednesday. Thursday, I think it's even less than that. And Friday into Saturday, I think we will see a few midday showers and storms, but still not a whole lot. And that's one of the main reasons why. A weak high pressure over top of us, but this brown you see here is dust from the Saharan desert. We talk about this a lot when we talk tropics because this here is not good for development for storms, right? But we tend to see a lot of it in June, fades out during the month of July. When we do get it here, it tends to dry out our atmosphere. That's the same thing that's happening in the tropics, and that's why it makes it harder for hurricanes to form. But when we get it here, it dries it out. We get hazy, we get hotter because we end up seeing a little bit more sunshine. Our sunsets actually get, some of them call them real colorful. It's more red and orange, but it's muted, right? It's not very crisp and clear out there. So that will make those temps go up. Look at this, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Those are the forecasted high temps. Mid-90s. I mean, look, we've been low 90s. We're going to add 2 or 3 degrees. But the feels like temp is for Tampa. This is going to be right up there around 105. When that number gets to 108, we get heat advisory. So we're going to be kind of close to that, especially by Thursday and Friday. And even in the Saturday, it does get a little bit cooler by the time we get towards Sunday. So we'll keep you updated if we get anything like that. Right now, I think we stay just below heat advisory criteria. Tomorrow morning, 70s inland, 81 near the coast. Tomorrow afternoon, 93, only a 30% chance for those showers and storms. Very similar to what we saw out there today. And remember, even those small storms need to be watched. Please be careful, okay? There's noon tomorrow. Look at this line of showers and storms trying to push through the bay for boating. And then after that, everything moves inland. We're talking a south wind going to the west. It's not a lot of wind. Water temperature 89. No development expected. Love to see that. Yeah, it looks like we're going to stay pretty quiet in the tropics. 7-day forecast. The heat is on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, mid-90s. Sunday's not even that much cooler. Still about 93 degrees Sunday into Monday.